Hi and welcome to the engineering school. Today we have a quick tip. We're going to look at a command in ZW3D called replace. So we have our part here and we want to change the top surfaces to have it match another surface. So instead of going into the original sketch, we can use a reference surface and the replace command. So let's go ahead and start the replace command. And what you need to do is you simply choose the surfaces you want to replace, and then you choose the surface you want to replace them with. So when we confirm, you see that the model updates and the top of the part now matches the referenced surface. And this is a really handy command when we try to match different parts. For example, in an assembly, we can use different references. And it helps us a lot when we are dealing with complex parts. So I hope that this helps you, and stay tuned for new videos.